Welcome back to our programming channel, where we help you learn the best tips and tricks in the world of coding. In this video, we're going to be discussing how to optimize your code for better performance. Cut to a person sitting in front of a computer screen, typing on the keyboard. Person, have you ever noticed that your code is running slow and taking up too much memory? Well, this could be due to several reasons. It could be due to inefficient algorithms or poorly written code. But don't worry, we're here to help. Cut to a screen with a few lines of code on it. Person, the first thing you should do is analyze your code and look for any bottlenecks. These are areas of your code that are taking up too much time or resources. Once you've identified these areas, you can optimize your code by using more efficient algorithms or data structures. Cut to a screen with code on it. Person, another way to optimize your code is to use multithreading. Multithreading allows your code to run multiple tasks at the same time, which can significantly improve its performance. Cut to a person typing on a keyboard. Person, in addition to these techniques, there are several other things you can do to optimize your code, such as caching, code refactoring, and using proper variable types. Cut to a screen with code on it. Person, remember, optimizing your code is an ongoing process. It's important to continually analyze and update your code to ensure it's running efficiently. Cut to a person sitting in front of a computer screen, typing on the keyboard. Person, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, be sure to like and subscribe for more programming tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.